All right, the news break that is just coming in. BRS MLC K. Kavitha has moved top court challenging ED's arrest. Petition has been filed in top court. According to sources, she may even demand early hearing of a petition today. The matter is listed for tomorrow, but K. Kavitha could demand an early hearing of her petition today itself. So, K. Kavitha, who is in ED custody, has filed a plea in top court challenging her arrest. Let's go across to Piyush, who's joining us from the national capital. Piyush, take us to the latest that you're learning as far as the probe into Liquorgate is concerned. We understand that K. Kavitha has, of course, moved top court. But tell us about the kind of arguments that really can be expected on Kavitha's part to make her case strong and prevent that in order to get some relief from the ED arrest.
So yes, Amisha, let me just tell you, the legal counsel of K. Kavitha has now approached the Supreme Court. In fact, it is important to note that the matter was already being heard in the Supreme Court. But now, since K. Kavitha has been arrested, the legal counsel is going to demand that the arrest that has been made of K. Kavitha is illegal, because the matter was being heard at Supreme Court since 15th of September last year, in which the legal counsel of K. Kavitha had mentioned and it had been assured to them that there would be no more summons that would be issued to K. Kavitha. However, despite being given the assurance, as has been claimed by the legal team of K. Kavitha was arrested. In fact, this was the major basis on which the arguments were heard at the trial court when there was a debate and there was an argument on the arrest of K. Kavitha. The legal team of K. Kavitha had claimed that there was an assurance that was given to them in the court that there would be no more summons, there would be no more arrest of K. Kavitha. However, the team of ED had said that only for a specific time it was given that there would be no summons that would be given to K. Kavitha, but nowhere it was mentioned that coercive action would not be taken. So now it is going to be important to note, it is going to be interesting to see that what stand is the Supreme Court going to take, taking into consideration that the legal team of K. Kavitha has now approached the Supreme Court once again and has demanded for an early hearing in this case. Back to the studio.
Right, Piyush, thank you for the moment. Right, Piyush, thank you for the moment. We will keep coming back to you. For now, we are heading in a very short break. On the other side, we will get you more election-related updates and also closely tracking all the updates on Liquorgate probe, as BRS MLC has now moved top court challenging her arrest.
An under-construction building has collapsed in Kolkata and 2 people have died in the incident. 13 people have been rescued. In fact, more are feared to be trapped in the building debris. 2 casualties have been reported, while 13 have been rescued. Currently, a search and rescue operation is underway at the location to take out survivors who are feared trapped inside the debris. Visuals of the incident on your screens, viewers. We have a tragic news coming in, and it broke in the wee hours early morning. 2 people dead in an under construction building collapse in Kolkata. 13 have been rescued so far. Right. So we have my colleague joining us live from the ground. Sukhendu joins us live from the ground on the story. Sukhendu. Right, we are unable to connect with Sukhendu at the moment, but visuals on your screen there, a tragic news coming in this morning, a building collapse in Kolkata where 2 have died and 13 so far have been rescued. Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee happens to be visiting the collapse site as of now. Visuals of the Chief Minister on your screens, viewers. The Chief Minister is inspecting the situation on the ground. We see massive search operation teams on the spot. State disaster relief force expected present on the ground, and we see a police van also there at the spot. Meanwhile, Chief Minister is on the ground inspecting the situation. Big tragic news coming in from Kolkata this morning. 2 feared dead, 13 trapped. Chief Minister herself at the situation. Remember, the opposition has alleged this building to be an illegal construction. The under construction building was allegedly illegal, as the BJP seems to be claiming. The claim they're coming from Suvendu Adhikari. Well, another big update on the story. Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee has announced compensation to the next of kin of deceased and the injured as the tragedy struck the Bengal capital this morning.
मामला तो एक तो एक्सीडेंट हुआ है, आप लोग एक बारी गिर गया है। 13 পিপল অলরেডি আমরা রিকভার হয়েছে, মানে বার করা হয়েছে। তাদের আরও লোক আটকে আছে, हम लोग को देख रहा है। क्या वजह बताई जाती दादा? वो बाद में बताएगा।
ये रात को करीब हम लोग को 12 बजे मालूम हुआ सर। रात को 12 बजे हम लोग देखे यहाँ पर पूरा अफरा तफरी मचा हुआ, पूरा पुलिस एनडीआरएफ का टीम आरपीएफ का टीम लोग आ गया था, और फिर अंदर तो किसी को जाने नहीं दिया जा रहा था। हम लोग अंदर जा नहीं पाए देखने के लिए। तो बस यही है सर, पूरा पब्लिक परेशान है। वहाँ पर आदमी काफ़ी इंजर्ड हो चुका है, खबर मिल रहा है हम लोग आस्ते आस्ते कि काफ़ी आदमी मर चुका है अंदर में, और प्रशासन भी निकालने का कोशिश कर रहा है। हम लोग का एनडीएफ का टीम बहुत जोर से लगा हुआ है इसमें। अंदर जाने का रात को अनुमति दी रहा, लेकिन सुबह हम लोग गए थे तो अनुमति नहीं दे रहा है सर जाने के लिए। ऑन द स्पॉट हम लोग को अनुमति नहीं दिया जा रहा जाने का।
Well, breaking now, after the massive 5-story building collapse, Mamata Banerjee has pledged compensation to the next of kin of the deceased and the injured, while the BJP's Suvendu Adhikari accuses the construction of the building to be illegal. Well, there we have the opposition mounting charges of an illegal construction of the building that has collapsed this morning. Meanwhile, Mamata Banerjee has announced compensation to the next of kin of deceased and to the injured. The Chief Minister visiting and inspecting the site of the collapse as of now.